Clear your mind. Escape the noise. Create your oasis with Gerber faucets featuring laminar flow aerators. Just like rocks creating river rapids, standard aeration draws air into the water as it comes from the spout, causing a flow with turbulence. And when standard aerators introduce air into the water, it brings all the microbes from the bathroom environment with it. Uninterrupted like a calm stream, laminar flow aeration prevents air from entering the water, allowing the molecules to travel parallel to each other. The calm cascade of laminar flow gives you the bathroom brilliance you deserve, like less pesky splashing on your countertop and a gentle, soft-sounding flow without compromising performance or pressure. And not to mention, the clear, glass-like column of water is a thing of beauty. Low splash, softer, cleaner. Talk about peace of mind. Choose Gerber bathroom faucets with laminar flow aeration for a clearly better experience.